In real life, nothing starts to move or stop immediately. There's always a gradual increase in speed, then a duration of constant speed, and then a gradual decrease in speed before the motion completely stops. This is the principle of ease in and ease out. And when it's applied to your artwork and graphics, it gives that believability and true to life feeling.
So here we have once again a simple animation. Currently this ball has no easing to it. It's not really moving in a realistic way because it just stops immediately and then starts immediately. But that's not how things work in real life, as explained before. Actually, in real life, it would start slow, gain some speed, and then slowly end when the action is over. This is a little bit more realistic. So here's a little diagram to kind of show you what it would look like without ease in and ease out. The frames would be drawn in equal distance to each other. However, when I add the ease in and ease out, the diagram looks a little bit like this. So to make it start slow, I'm gonna draw the frames closer to each other and then later draw the frames further away from each other to show speed, and then again slow down by drawing the frames closer to each other again. It's through spacing that you can add ease in and ease out. And in After Effects, the program does the in-betweens for you. So what becomes important for the animator in After Effects is to manipulate the speed and the value of change between the keyframes.
So remember, ease in and ease out is a very simple but vital principle of animation that will make your work more believable and accurate to life.